How to create a poll for your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can create a poll for your YouTube channel, then all you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is head on to the YouTube Studios application or the website. So let's head on to the YouTube Studios. Then once you are inside your YouTube Studios, you need to click onto this create or button right here at the top. Then once you have clicked on the create button, you can see this option which says create post. So simply click on the create post button, and here you can see that it has moved us to the posts tab, which was previously known as the community tab. Then once you're here, you will see these two options, which are the image poll and the text poll as well. So let's try to create a text poll. Simply click on the text poll, and then from here you can add any question or anything that you want. So for example, I'm gonna add a random text like, and then once you have added your question, you can add a option. So let's add two options, and if you want to add more option, you can click on to the add another option and add a third option as well. So by doing this, you can keep on adding options until it allows you, and once you are all set, you need to click onto this post option. Also, there is an option to schedule this particular poll for a later time, and once you'll click on the post option, it will get posted onto your YouTube channel's community page or the posts page. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.